going to show you how easy it is to create the Spotify scrolling video edit with the option of the edit facing your audience or facing you for a more realistic video. All of this in 5 easy steps. Step 1, record 2 separate videos, one of you scrolling absolutely nothing and one video recording your screen. Now you don't have to just use this for Spotify, you can record your screen scrolling absolutely anything you want. Step 2, upload both videos to CapCut. Step 3, select the screen recording clip and turn it into an overlay by just clicking overlay. Step 4, select Splice and choose the option you think works best for you. For the Spotify edit, I like to use lighten. Step 5, if you want to make it a more realistic edit, go to transform and select mirror. This is going to make it look like you are actually scrolling through and you are facing that edit and it's not facing your audience. If you didn't time your video right with the scroll, you can edit it by trimming parts down. If you found this helpful, I have a longer video here with more editing hacks, including how to put text behind you, how to insert subscribe buttons, and how to insert pictures and videos.